Can you remove an executor from an estate? Under Pennsylvania law, an executor is the person appointed by the will, or in some cases appointed as an administrator by the court to administer the affairs of someone who has passed away. An executor generally has about a year to process the estate, although some estates do go longer than that. If you think the executor of an estate is not doing a good job and you're a beneficiary, do you have power to remove the executor? The general answer is yes. You can go to court and ask the judge to remove the executor, but you'll need a good reason why you're asking for that relief. The Orphans Court of the county in which you're in, which is part of the Court of Common Pleas in your county, has power to oversee estates and, if necessary, to remove an executor and put someone else in place. A lot of reasons that executors are removed have to do with some sort of breach of fiduciary duty. This means that the executor did something either for their own benefit or the benefit of a friend or family member over the benefit of all beneficiaries together. Other reasons include because the executor is not doing anything, not getting the job done, the estate has lingered. Once it goes beyond a year, a lot of times that's when petitions start getting filed to remove the executor, put somebody else in charge. There's no specific rule about the length of time, but that's one of the factors a court may consider. Other reasons an executor might be removed is because they've shown animosity toward beneficiaries or they've done something harmful to the beneficiaries. And there are other reasons. If the court removes an executor, they can either follow the line of succession that's laid out in the will to go to the backup executors, or in extreme cases can skip over that and pick someone pursuant to the court's own preference. Sometimes a court will choose a local attorney if things have gotten particularly bad and say, I'm just going to trust you to be in charge of running this estate and making all the decisions. If you're in a contentious estate and you're having problems as an executor or with an executor, call Cornerstone Law Firm. Our attorneys can help you to understand the estate dispute process and what your options are.